Hello everyone, this is Teacher Maya for another math tutorial for the grade 8 learners.
And for today's topic, we have special products. The first one is square of binomials and product of the sum and difference of two terms. And now let us start with the square of binomials. The square of a binomial is the sum of the square of the first term twice the product of the two terms and the square of the last term. In symbols, we have square of x plus y. We have here x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. And the second one is the square of x minus y. This is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Square of binomials. So first example is the square of r plus 6. So ang gagawin lang natin dito is kunin ang square or multiply the first term of the binomial by itself. So r multiplied by r is r squared. Then, pagkatapos niyan, multiply the terms of the binomial. So, r multiplied by positive 6, the answer is positive 6r, then multiply it by 2. So, 6 by 2 is 12. So, you add plus 12r. Then, for the last term of the answer, just multiply 6 by itself. So, 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. So, 36. Anong magiging sign ng 36? It is positive. Okay, so, the square of r plus 6 is r squared plus 12r plus 36. Okay ba? Okay, next example is the square of x plus 12. So, our first term is x. So, multiply x by itself. So, that is x squared. Then, multiply the terms of the binomial. We have x times positive 12. The answer is 12x. Then, multiply it by 2. So, the answer now is positive 24x. Then, multiply the last term of the binomial by itself. So, 12 multiplied by 12 is 144. Okay, so again, the sign here is plus. So, the square of x plus 12 is x squared plus 24x plus 144. Third example, square of 3a plus 4b. So the first term of the product is the square of the first term of the binomial. So 3a multiplied by 3a is 9a squared. Then, multiply the terms of the binomial. So, 3a times 4b. So, we have here 3a times 4b is equal to, we have 12. Then, we have ab. Then, multiply this by 2. So, the answer now is 24ab. Then, for the last term of the product, just multiply 4b by itself. So, that is 4b multiplied by 4b. The product is 16b squared. Okay? So, anong napapansin nyo sa kanila? Ha? So, lahat ng mga signs ay puro positive. So, ibig sabihin, if the terms ay napagse-separate ng plus sign, then all the signs of the products are positive. Okay? And tandaan, pag nag-square tayo ng binomials, ang answer ay perfect square trinomial. Okay, next example. Number 4 is the square of 7 minus y. So, dito naman, the same pa rin, no? Multiply the first term of the binomial by itself. So, we have square of 7 is 49. Then, multiply the terms of the binomial. We have 7 multiplied by negative y. So, that is negative 7y. Then, multiply it by 2. So, we have negative 14y. Then, multiply negative y by negative y. The answer is positive y squared. Fifth example is the square of xy minus 5. So, multiply xy by itself. So, xy times xy is equal to x squared y squared. Then, multiply xy by negative 5. So, that is negative 5xy. Then, multiply it by 2. So, we have negative 10, then xy. Then, for the last term, we have negative 5 multiplied by negative 5 is positive 25. And for our last example, we have the square of 13r minus 2. So, this is 13 multiplied by 13 is what? 169r squared. Then, multiply 13r by negative 2. The answer is 26r. Then, multiply this by 2. So, the answer now is negative 52r. Then, for the last term, we have negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 is positive 4. So, the square of 13r minus 2 is 169r squared minus 52r plus 4. Okay? So, again, all these three are perfect square trinomials. And, tingnan nyo yung mga signs, no? The middle terms of the trinomials are all negative. So, ibig sabihin, kapag negative ang sign between the terms of the binomials, the answer is, or the middle term of the answer is negative. Okay? Next is the product of the sum and difference of two terms. When multiplying the sum and difference of the same two terms, the result will be the square of the first term minus the square of the second term. In symbols, we have x plus y multiplied by x minus y. This is equal to x squared minus y squared. Product of the sum and difference. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is multiply the first terms of the binomials. So, 6 times 6 is 36. Then, minus the product of the last terms or the second terms of the binomials. So, x by x is x squared. Okay? Napakadali. Second example is x plus 5 times x minus 5. So, multiply the first terms. We have x squared minus the product of the second terms. So, that is 25. Then, number 3, AB multiplied by AB is a squared b squared. Then, minus 9 times 9 is 81. Dali, di ba? And the last example is 7 plus 6y multiplied by 7 minus 6y. So, multiply 7 by 7. The product is 49. Then, minus 6y multiplied by 6y is 36y squared. Okay.